Hi guys, Steph here. Look at this. Yes, some of you people would have seen this before, you regular viewers. There you go. It's a Parker pen. But which one is it? There you go. As I said, some of you have seen it before in my last pen haul. What we have for you today is a lovely Parker Classic fountain pen and a rollerball set. Now these particular pens, the Parker Classics, get quite confused with another model being the Parker 180. The Classic was introduced or released after the 180s, so yeah, there is some sort of confusion sometimes, but let's try and show you the pens. As you can see, it comes in a original case here. If we open it up here, there was actually one cartridge with this one. What I've done, I've added another Parker cartridge for the new owners. So let's put the case to one side, and which is which. Okay, first of all, there we go. We've got, nice and simply, a rollerball. So let's pop that cap back on, and as always, I'm more interested in fountain pens, so we'll concentrate on the fountain pen. Now, the date of these pens, if I actually take you up to the cap there, you should be able to see Parker, and then if I turn it round slightly, there we go, you'll see it has a IN or 1N, and then if I swizz it round a little bit, you can see it says made in UK. Okay, so the IN or the 1N indicates to us that this set, they're both identical, indicates to us that the set was made 1989. Now, when they brought out the Parker Classics, they brought them out in lots of different variations. There was the Flighter models, the Insignia models. There was many different kinds of polished lacquered models in sort of tortoise shell, Thuya lac, etc. So they came in numerous different colours and different configurations. This one is the matte black, and it's actually a coating of epoxy. So it's a matte black epoxy coated fountain pen. Comes with gold filled trim. You can see to the end there, it's got this little stud, if you like, to the end. If we take you up, you can see there's a little thin band there, and you can see the very recognisable Parker clip there, the arrow clip, and again to the top we've got this gold filled stud or finial to the top of the cap. So let's undo or take the cap off, which is a friction fit, and let's show you the pen in numerous different angles. Now, before I go a little bit further, let's just show you or tell you about the size of it. The size of this one, capped, is a nice 135mm capped, so it's quite a long pen. However, you can see the barrel sort of tapers down slightly, but at the thickest area here, it's 10mm in diameter. So it's a long pen, but quite a thin pen as well. Ideal for people with maybe small hands, or ideal as a ladies pen as well. When I say ladies pen, this set is actually, well, it will actually be travelling over to the United States. There's actually a lady that's actually bought this set, so I hope you're going to be happy with your set, Barbara. So let's carry on. As we said, a couple of little twirls there. Now, if we go to this section, you can see the section's got this sort of, it's like a crosshatch design to the section there, which gives it a nice grip. To the very top there, just before the nib, you can see we've got this chrome band, and there to the top there you can see the nib. It's a sort of maybe a semi hooded nib with this plastic top area here, or bottom area. There's a sideways view, you can see the feed underneath, and then if we show you underneath there, you can see the feed underneath, and hopefully to that sort of black plastic area you will see it says M, which is indicating that it's a medium nib. So just going back to the nib there's where the confusion can be between this particular model, and as we said earlier, the 180 had a similar sort of very elongated triangular nib, but slightly different if you look at the overall design. Okay, as you can see, everything's lovely and clean. The pen didn't need nothing doing to it. Basically, as it came, in beautiful condition. In my opinion, it's never been inked. I don't see any remnants of ink inside. If we unscrew the barrel, these pens are what we term as cartridge converters. As you saw earlier, comes with a couple of cartridges, and there you go, look at that, there's the Parker. You can see it says Parker to the converter there. It's what we term as a aerometric type filler, but you can see the sack there, lovely and clean, and as I say, in my opinion, never been inked. Still nice and supple. So there you go. So we've got a nice clean converter inside, ready for the new owner to use bottled ink. I'm not going to actually fill the pen because, as I say, in my opinion, it's never been inked. But I know you people like to see the pen's writing, so what I'll do, I'll take the cap off the ink to the side here, and what we'll do, we'll just do a dip test, because I'll be able to clean it before we send it off to the new owner. So let's do a little dip test. Just dip the tip of the nib, that should be fine. Let's just see how it writes. So we've got a Parker. Helps if you can spell. A Parker Classic fountain pen and rollerball pen, made in UK. Obviously there's no flexibility on these pens. It's quite a stiff nib, but writing very nicely, and as it says, with a medium nib. So a lovely writer. So let's pop the cap back on, and I'll be quiet. There you go. The cap goes on with a lovely nice click. We've got a rollerball. Also made in UK. As you can see here, it comes with a blue refill inside. There we go, another satisfying click. So there's a writing sample, both as you'd expect in full working order, writing very nicely indeed. So there we have it. We'll leave it at that. So we've got a lovely matte black epoxy coated Parker Classic fountain pen and rollerball, beautiful condition, going over to the United States. So I hope you've enjoyed looking at the pens, Barbara, before you receive them. Enjoy them. For everybody else, I hope you've enjoyed looking at these pens as much as I enjoy showing them to you people. Don't forget, leave a comment below, don't be shy. Subscribe as well, people, please. And give the video a thumbs up, if you will. And don't forget, wherever you are around the world, please stay safe. But for now, I'll just say bye-bye for now.